Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make French fries with potatoes, and the French fries which I am going to make, it will be very different from other fries. So I have taken potatoes and cut up in this type of pieces. You can see the pieces, this type. I have soaked it in the water here. Now I am going to throw the water, and if you all like my channel, please subscribe, comment, share. So come on, let us start the recipe. So I have thrown out the water, and now I am going to mix little bit of saffron with the potatoes. The pan is turned hot. Now I am going to put some fortune oil. Oil is turned hot. Now I'll put in the potatoes. The potatoes are turned nice and brown. Now I'm going to take it out. Now I'm going to put the salt, some chili powder and some pepper powder. According to your taste, you can put the chili powder and some pepper powder. And mix it well. Now I'll put sauce, tomato sauce I'm putting. Then again one layer of potatoes. Then again one layer tomato sauce. French fries are ready to be eaten. This is potato French fry in a very different way. Thank you for watching my video.